Ever wondered about exporting contacts from Follow-Up Boss without the green light? Today, we're diving into the crucial ethical and practical considerations surrounding exporting contact data from Follow-Up Boss without explicit permission. First and foremost, remember that data privacy isn't just a suggestion, it's a cornerstone of trust. Accessing and exporting contact information without authorization can have serious repercussions. Data privacy regulations, like GDPR and CCPA, exist to protect individuals' information, and violations can lead to hefty fines and legal battles. Think twice before you act. Compliance is key. Building and maintaining trust with clients is paramount. Exporting their data without consent erodes that trust, potentially damaging your reputation and impacting long-term business relationships. Now, practically speaking, attempting unauthorized exports might violate Follow-Up Boss's terms of service. This can result in account suspension or termination, leaving you without access to vital CRM tools. Always review and adhere to the platform's policies. Responsible data handling is about respecting individual rights and complying with regulations. Ethical CRM practices foster a culture of transparency and accountability, promoting trust and ensuring long-term success. Before considering any export, ensure you have explicit consent from the individuals and proper authorization from your organization. Thanks for watching, and remember, ethical data practices are good business practices.